Hey, what's up guys, this is Abjeet from Abhigik and today we would review some spy applications of 2017. So check this video till the end and also hit and subscribe to my channel. If you want to become a spy, check these applications. Let's begin this video. So see, these applications are, so first application is known as Incognito. There is a link below. You can see this is a group map MMS thing. So first of all you have to type help to check this, that what you can do. So you can record, you can clear photos, you can click photos, you can also change the screen. Also for unlimited recording you can buy it. So first of all let's click a pic. You can see right when we clicked photos, we typed photos, then it clicked the picture. By spying on spy mode means if you are sitting anywhere in a restaurant, you want to click a picture of anyone that is, I think, your boyfriend, girlfriend, or anyone, I don't know. So you're spying, you can go that. Also you can record this for 5 seconds. Record this, so by writing a simple text of recording also you can record it for 5 seconds, any conversation, anything. So if you want this application for a full recording of there is a way to buy it, premium mode, so you can check this. Also it tells us the hints. It also tells us that what we can do to go to a purchase of full mode. So check this application, it's a very great for clicking pictures. The second application which we would tell is known as Ear Spy. So you want to have a headphone for that. Let's plug in the headphone. After that, the main concept of this application is that by this microphone you would be able to hear anyone outside. Means you should have a ear-tight headphones by which also you can check the equalizer, you can increase the volume and all, and you can hear what all are saying outside. So it would be seeming that you are hearing music, but you are basically listening to other persons what they're speaking. You are behaving that you are listening music. So check this application, it's known as Ear Spy. The microphone is the great thing which has been invented. The third thing which application is known as Kibo. It's a hidden tool application in which you can send hidden messages to anyone and you can convert that. And the thing is that the person which you are sending this message to also should have this application of Kibo. So we clicked on and make the default keyboard application in iOS. It takes some time, so let's skip it. After that you should go to message. You can see that we would type a simple message and we would convert it into a different message, and that would be sent to a person. And you can, if you can see there is a small mark of chat icon which is there down. We clicked on it and you can see we wrote hi, good way. After that it converted it into a different way. It's not even funny. This is the encryption. So the thing is that you have to send it, and the person you are sending it should have also the same application, so that he can convert that and he can read your secret message. So it's a very great spy application. Similar to that, there is also an application of Secure Text. This is also a default keyboard application in which you can convert, and the main important thing is that this is the interface of the keyboard. This spy application, you can change the whole thing into codes. You can see that I have written hi, good, how are you? So it has changed into code. The similar application, you can also see that it has an icon of changing the password. So you can also have a default password of it. And also the same criteria, you should have this application, and the person you are sending the application, that person should have also the application. The last application which you would review is known as Easy Calculator. It's also a great calculator because you don't know what is this. It's a hidden calculator in which you can record anything, you can do a spy mode. So you have to have a default pin. You can see that you can record audio, video, front camera, back camera, anything. It has a different storage option which is available, and it's very great. So you have to check this. There is link below of all these applications. You have to set a default pin for that. So after downloading, you have to set a default pin. After clicking that download, you can have to set the default pin. And the thing is that by opening that application, see, let's open it and let's show it. This Easy Calculator, we have opened it. Now you have to enter the password of that, and whenever you click equal to sign, you can see that this is the great application. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Apart from that, if you have any comments, do comment out in the comment section. This is Abhijit signing off from Abhigek. Jai Hind, दोस्तों.